invite you to envision what this may be for you, what it might look like, what it might feel like. What are the causes you'd like to help with? What are you looking forward to in the future that you're not able to do now or that you want to do more of because your plate is so full? How will you optimize the time you have left? What will you say yes to? Oprah Winfrey, she's quoted as saying, the question is, what are you willing to stand for? That question is going to follow you through your life. Pick a problem, any problem, and do something about it. Because to somebody who is hurting, something is everything. So think about this now. You only got time, very little time left. Just leaning into this now will help set your mind, spirit, and subconscious on a path that's more in tune with your body's response to when you've had enough. It will help you to be more in tune with getting the energies in place to support a smooth transition whenever this lifestyle shift occurs. Some go back to work not because they want to work, but because they want purpose and fulfillment. They didn't think about this before they retired. So, when there's nothing left on the table to satisfy them, they're not sure what to do. So don't let this be you. Know what this dialed down, more relaxed transition will look like for you. Put those plans in place for yourself today. Work it into your larger plan. You can not begin with the end in mind when you don't know what that more peaceful late life pivot will look like.